to another video on the Wargaming channel. So, if you remember last time, I was in adaptive armor and I had a flower of truth. Now that has changed, I become an archer. This is my setup. Ancient Shadow Assassin helmet, 5-star. Fierce Zombie Knight chestplate. I have some Ancient Shadow Assassin leggings, and I have some Ancient Necron boots. I will start them because I just got them yesterday. And also in the bank I have 11 million. I don't know why I don't have a god pot. I should have one. But first of all, let's collect that. And we also have 16 million there, which have to be sold. Now, if you remember last time, we had only a redstone minion. Where we go now? We have this minion setup that makes you 500,000 a day. And I'm going to upgrade it. So yeah, let's get right at it. So the first thing we have to do is decide on which minions we have. So let's do like some fan stuff. Okay, who wants to be in a video? Wants to be in a video? Wait, who wants to be in a video? Come on, somebody suggest. Oh, okay, nobody wants to be in a video, but we have to. We are going to probably get mycelium minions, and if you notice, I also got a new microphone. And yeah, I don't know. Wait, let's see. Mining recipes. Okay, mycelium minions. Where are those, bro? Okay. Anyways, we have. Oh, okay, there we go. One, we need 10. 2, 4. Okay, so we need a lot of normal mycelium, but I also want to put that on. Wait. Okay, wait, mining, I think. Okay, yeah. Sure. Let's get the... Oh, wait. Now let's make 2. Okay. One second, guys. Okay, so sorry, we have some difficulties there. Okay. 38k, that's basically nothing. But we also, oh, why did I turn that to enchanted? I am so dumb. No. Okay. There we go. Full. Now we put that. Now we'll make it all the way to tier 2. Fill that. Now we need a few. I'll just fill the entire inventory up. Okay, let's just buy 11. There we go. No. But to be fair, I did a lot of grinding when I took a break from YouTube. And I can even show you the difference. Oh wait, but you can hear the computer audio. That's the problem. Oh. Well, I guess next time. Okay, so that's tier 3. Boom. Now we'll probably need to get like another stack. There we go. Now 2 times 8, that's 16. 2 times 16, that's 32. So we need half a stack, which is going to be way more than I expected. 175k, still not that much, but a lot. Okay, now 1 million. And the second. Okay. So now we go to oddities, compactor, super. Oh, what the hell? How did the price go so much? Okay, anyways, we need to place them. Okay, I can just place them here. I don't have a pickaxe on me. I don't know what to do. Let's check my storage last page. I have even anything, and we don't. Bruh. Tell me that not even my chest have. Bruh. I have no pickaxe. Oh, cool. Okay. I just mine it with my hand. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we can just place them here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait, no, that can't be. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, right. I placed them wrong. Okay, there you go. 1, 2. We place the compactor here. I don't care if it takes a long time. You know what? Let's just craft a pickaxe with the materials I have here. If I even have wood. Which I probably don't. Great, that's amazing. Actually, bro. All these chests are empty. Okay, so then we just teleport here, I guess. We'll grab us a piece of wood. Oh my, I am actually so dumb. And I just wanted to do it. Cool. I had in my foraging bag this whole time, I think, my wood. Oh no. Yeah. I do have 35 oak saplings. Boom. Get that. That. And yeah. I don't care if it's a stone. We're not playing vanilla, so yeah, we don't have to collect the diamonds. Like now, I don't even need to mine diamonds. So what I've been grinding these last like few months, I've been trying to get Necron. So I've been flipping a lot. Like I think in the past 10 days I made over 40 million, but I did spend some of it on some stuff. This is my new weapon, not the stupid flower of truth. And I do have a decent Necron boots, but I don't know. Okay, let's go to hub. Now we should be making way more. What I've been thinking is getting a mining setup, which will be very expensive. I tried that today, but it was a little bit too expensive. So yeah. This has to sell though. It needs to sell it because then I make my 2 mil profit. Scarf. Oh, it went down in price. That's why nobody has been buying it. So we have to list it for 15.5. That will still be like 1 mil profit, which I am not mad with. So yeah, I think that will be it for today. I just want to show my progress. Next time we'll be playing some Rocket League though. And yeah, next time I might even show you one of my old videos. So I do want to give a shout out to if we go to YouTube right now, I want to give a shout out to Abdels. There he is. This guy just uploaded his first video. He's one of my subscribers, and also he's a friend of me on Skyblocks. So yeah, go subscribe to him. He has 10 subscribers, so that's basically double of mine. So yeah, I hope you have an amazing day, and yeah, shout out to Abels. Please subscribe, I really need it, and like the video. I'm not doing this for the money, I just want to be popular. So yeah, see you guys next video. See ya, peace.